Thank you very much, Brenda, for the kind introduction. Hello to everybody. I'm Leonard from the Office of Medical Policy in the Center for Drug Evaluation and Research at FDA, and I'm delighted to welcome you to this year's Clinical Investigator Training course. As you all know, clinical trials are the bedrock for the approval of medical products, and clinical investigators are amongst our most important partners in developing the evidence used for regulatory decisions. We rely on you for all the clinical data that we receive to support the approval of new medical products, and we are tremendously appreciative of the critical contribution that you make to medical science and to the health of our society. This clinical investigator training course is an important opportunity for us at FDA to reach out to you with the goal of giving you a broad understanding of the science and the regulation of clinical trials. As many of you know, we have been running this course for years, and we are very encouraged by the tremendous support we've received. Today, as Brenda said, we have more than 8,000 registrants participating from all over the world, representing a global community dedicated to the development of the highest quality medical products. Our 3-day program covers a broad range of topics, including clinical trials, their design and analysis, the determination of drug safety, ethical considerations, and some of the innovative approaches to make trials more efficient and accessible to participants. We've included lectures on non-clinical drug development, animal studies, toxicology, chemistry, manufacturing controls, and we have an extensive session to address regulatory requirements, trial quality, and investigator responsibilities. We've divided the course into approximately 4-hour sessions spread over 3 days, and the idea is to cover the most topical areas of interest to investigators. Today, we will focus on selected topics related to the design of clinical trials. Tomorrow, we will look at some of the non-clinical and early clinical data that you may come across in the investigator's brochure. And on Thursday, we will discuss the responsibilities of investigators and investigator site inspections. By sharing our experiences inside FDA, we're hoping to provide you with an insight into FDA requirements that will give you as investigators greater confidence and expertise in conducting clinical trials, and that will improve the clinical trial enterprise in general. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank our speakers in advance, all our colleagues of mine at FDA who have generously given their time to participate and prepare these presentations. I apologize for not being the most technologically gifted myself, but I hope we will be able to give you a satisfying experience as free of glitches as possible. During the panel sessions, we hope you will send in your questions to make this as interactive as we can.